VTS, this is Motor Vessel Sea Explorer requesting entry to Port of Tagbilaran, over.
This is VTS. This is Motor Vessel Sea Explorer. Clear to enter via channel Alpha. Maintain 12 knots, over.
Copy, VTS. Entering channel Alpha at 12 knots, over. VTS, small craft crossing at marker 3. Request instruction, over.
Alter course 10 degrees starboard. Reduce speed to 8 knots. Confirm, over.
Altering course 10 degree starboard. Speed 8 knots, over. VTS, Motor Vessel Sea Explorer cleared the channel safely. Thank you, over.
Copy. Motor Vessel Sea Explorer. Welcome to Port Tagbilaran. End of transmission.